G'day folks, welcome back to Pete's Investing. It's September 21, 2023. This is the S&P 500 update. On the daily chart since yesterday, you can see here we had this big bullish candle, massive dump in the markets overnight. And this occurred in all the major indices, including some European markets, the ASX, the Japanese Nikkei, and also, as you can see here, the US market was probably the main catalyst. Now you can see here since yesterday hit this on that candle, that wick hit the 61% level, and that's always a key area to look out for. And as I said, overnight it's plunged even further, and it's currently resting around the 78% level of that Fibonacci range. You can see here, again back here, we did project this bearish divergence on the CCI. If I expand that, you can see that that's still in play, the CCI is still declining versus the price, and the price has been pretty much bouncing off that key resistance for a couple of months now. The Stochastic likewise has gone into the overbought territory and pretty much moving sideways, and it's already breached the 70 mark once, and it's done it again overnight, again the second time. So still in the overbought territory. Now if you look at the hourly in more detail, you can see here since yesterday it did breach that 61% level. It bounced off that 61% level, and overnight it's plunged and broken down and currently resting below the 78% of that Fibonacci range. You can see there likewise the CCI is still in decline pretty sharply and down into the oversold territory. So we may see a slight retrace to the upside, but at the moment it's still looking bearish. Likewise the Stochastic, massive plunge down below the 30 mark. So we might see a bit of a retrace possibly, but at the moment there's no clear sight of a support until this point down here at 43.36. So no divergence yet to talk of, but at the moment look out for further declines in the market. If I zoom out, going back to the daily for a moment, if I zoom out, we've got to be mindful of the bigger picture, and if it breaches this support, as I said, at 43.36, then we're going to look at it possibly approaching that the 50% level of this bigger Fibonacci range, but we'll see how it goes first. We'll take one step at a time, and we'll cover that if it breaks below this level. But at the moment, it's a pretty massive drop overnight in the markets. So to understand how to trade some divergence and also trend trading strategies, subscribe and support us more on the Patreon page, where we also look at weekly scans of stocks, currencies and commodities. Subscribe, like and share the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.